Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to give you a recap of this week. A lot has gone on, done a ton of stuff, lots of footage, so excited to show you guys what the Lundin family has been doing on our adventure in the jungle. Okay, so it's Sunday morning and Levi and I ready to go for the day. Got some coffee, got our backpacks, and we are going to do our first pickup. There's a team coming, a construction team, 4 people I believe from the States, who are going to help with the framing of our of the family housing. So we got a lot going on. You can see behind me there's patients that are waiting to be seen in the clinic. Kind of a lighter day, maybe around 15 or so. All right, so there's a worker here. He's a groundskeeper. His name is Nelvin. His wife is Elida, and she does some cooking and stuff, and their son works here too. And Nelvin is showing me how to find coconuts, which ones are good, which ones you can drink, the bigger ones. He said the bigger ones that are green. You want the bigger ones. He said they have more sugar, azúcar. They have a better taste than the small ones. And then the really old ones like this are a little dried out, don't have as much flavor either. So he got me 2 of them. He chopped them open with his machete. They came out of these trees that are right here where we're living. There's coconut trees. You want to go where?
River.
Do you like the river?
Yes.
We're going to try making red beans and rice, traditional Honduran meal.
This is homemade salsa with jalapenos, tomatoes, and onions. Mommy, I'm working. I'm picking. Off a ladder.
Yes, a
Oh,
ladder.
my ladder.
Is that your ladder? Yes, that can be your ladder.
It is raining really hard right now. This is why they call it a rainforest. We're supposed to get 4 to 5 inches in just a short amount of time. So we're in the hospital right now and Dr. Martin's prepping us for power outage. We need to make sure we have our freezers closed. Everything is all charged up. With all this rain, likely the power is going to go out, which means the water doesn't work. No power, no refrigeration. So everything kind of goes on lockdown for a little bit. So we'll see. This rain's supposed to keep up for 3 days and we'll see what happens. It's supposed to rain like this for the next 3 days. Just checked in with the clinic. Only 2 patients showed up this morning, so not very many people want to come walk in the heavy rain. It's muddy, it's mucky, we're getting flooding on the property. So we'll see how today goes. Hopefully things will pick up a little bit. So it rained so hard that this little creek up here flooded through, and a banana truck tipped over in the middle. So there's a bunch of people trying to get the banana truck out. So we're just all gonna go down and look and see what's going on down at the river.